The government shutdown in America is over, but what does that mean for everyone who is still struggling to put food on the table in the uncertain economy? This video is AI, but it has incorporations for AI, so this is my voiceover. This channel has a measly 10 subs with crappy AI videos, but you may think this is another glorified advertisement for a startup company, but this is more than that. This is a tech revolution for gig work. I've been the YouTube specialist for Handy Banjo for 10 months now, and this is my second voiceover on the channel, so I sound a bit nervous or a bit groggy. That is why. Here's the problem these days. While people are surviving on food stamps and unemployment's on the rise, there is a solution for those with skills and talent for in-person labor. As for the economic crisis in America, there is still a way for people to look for gig work to make a little extra income in this time of uncertainty. Plus, you can check in the description below to check out our website that's still in early access, if you want to check it out. So, here at Handy Banjo, we are trying to showcase the many potential benefits of online contract work, which could compete with other companies offering similar features, and the kingdom is growing to become a contender in the global market. Work is no longer what it was, and that's not a bad thing. If you're trying to find a reliable caregiver, cleaner, technician, or even basic help for your small business or house, you probably felt the same thing for millions of Americans that are feeling. It's getting harder. It's not just construction or trades. Across healthcare, hospitality, maintenance, personal services, and everyday support roles, the U.S. is facing a broad urgent labor shortage. Small businesses can't fill shifts, and families struggle to find consistent care. Communities wait longer for essential services every single day. It's not just an economic issue, it's a reflection of how deeply our society relies on in-person workers to function. When we can't find them, life slows down and stress rises. Quality drops, and the people who show up often carry the weight of an entire system stretched too thin. The solution must be inclusive, not just trades, not just gig roles, but every type of in-person work that keeps America moving, from elder care to cleaning, from hospitality to home support, from skilled trades to everyday services. Our mission is to build a platform that respects, empowers, and matches these workers and the people who rely on them, a system that's rooted in dignity and transparency and trust. The future of our communities depends on the values of all forms of work. And together, we can build a labor system where every worker and every role finally gets the respect they deserve. Across the U.S., skilled professionals are rewriting the script of their careers. More and more are choosing non-traditional paths.
We honor those who choose the skilled path. Engine services are respected, and authentic craftsmanship.
According to a study on Upwork on April 23, 2025, 28% of skilled U.S. workers are now freelancing or operating independently. Not because they lack options, it's because they want better ones. Flexibility, autonomy, meaningful engagement, and the ability to choose when and how they contribute their craft is the most important thing they are fulfilling for themselves. There is also another article on this according to the U.S. Census Bureau on July 1st, 2025, which notes that non-employer businesses are helping drive economic growth nationally. This shift is not a glitch in the labor system, it's a sign of evolution. People want control over their time, dignity in their work, and the chance to grow beyond the rigid schedule of a 9-to-5 that is showing its age. Our mission is to build a new reality, shape a future ecosystem, and mold a new norm in the workforce. Plan where skilled professionals can stay independent without losing structure, where they can access consistent verified jobs while maintaining the freedom they value, where customers get dependable, high-quality service from those who are supported, not stretched thin. Old rules won't define the future of skilled labor. It will only be represented by millions of workers choosing careers that are both free and reliable. And our mission is simple: build a system that helps them thrive without the chains of traditional employment and the freedom to be their own boss. This is the workforce of tomorrow.
Yes, thank you so much.